Hello and welcome to the madness of chassis assembly. This beautiful chunk of TP was printed by Just Cuz Robotics. Along with that, my weapon pulley, drive motors, ESC, and power distribution will all be obtained from the Just Cuz Robotics shop. The chassis is made up of a 2mm carbon fiber bottom plate, a 6mm carbon fiber top plate, two 1/8" aluminum side rails, and the TPU center body. Holding those together are 13 steel standoffs and many screws. On the top, there's also a titanium plate to help spread out the load onto the support from the weapon. It also just looks sick. The static chassis comes in at about 17 ounces and it took me about 20 minutes to assemble it, a time that I will definitely cut down when I get my drill back from work. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you all in the midst of the madness again.